everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. All of my son's water bottles that we started out using with him are starting to get really worn, and I wanted to get something new that would last us a good amount of time, but also hold a good amount of liquid. I love this bottle we got from Fanhaw. It is so cute with its construction theme, and I love that it can go in the dishwasher. It has a wide mouth, which is great if you want to put ice in it to keep the drinks cold, and it is also double wall insulated and stainless steel. I got the 18-ounce size because my son goes through a lot of water and this saves me having to fill it up all the time, which is awesome. I love that it also has a latch on it so you can lock it if you do not want it to be opened. If you are in need of some new reusable tumblers or cups for your kids, I highly recommend these ones from Fanhaw. We love this cup so much. We use it every single day, and I love that it is dishwasher safe. And that's my point of view.